In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see friend activity on Spotify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to make sure it's visible, and what to check if it doesn't appear right away. This feature is great for discovering new music through the people you follow, and it's available on the desktop app for both Windows and Mac. Start by opening the Spotify desktop app and signing into your account. This feature isn't on mobile, so make sure you're using the desktop version. Once you're in, look to the right side of the app's main window. That's where the Friend Activity panel lives. When it's enabled and visible, you'll see a running list of what the people you follow are currently playing, along with the track, artist, and the playlist or album it came from. It updates automatically as your friends listen, so you can jump straight into something that catches your eye. If you don't see the panel, don't worry. Sometimes it's simply hidden because the app window is too narrow. Try maximizing or widening the window to give Spotify enough room to display the right-hand column. If it still doesn't show, you'll want to confirm the setting is turned on. Go to Settings, then find the Display section and switch on See what your friends are playing. Depending on your version, you can get to Settings from the top right profile menu or the main menu bar. Once that toggle is on, return to the home screen and the Friend Activity panel should appear on the right. If the panel appears but looks empty, that can be normal too. You'll only see updates from people you follow who share their listening activity. If someone has disabled sharing or is using a private session, their activity won't show. Also, brand new sessions can take a moment to appear, so give it a little time. As friends start playing music, the feed will populate and refresh on its own. That's all there is to it. Open the Spotify desktop app, look for the Friend Activity panel on the right, and if it's missing, head to Settings, go to Display, and turn on See what your friends are playing. With that set, you'll have a live window into what your social circle is listening to, making it easier than ever to explore and enjoy new tracks together.